Hey guys, now we are going to solve question number 5. Let's see what the question states. 2 moles of an ideal gas with Cp by Cv equal to 5 by 3 are mixed with 3 moles of another ideal gas with Cp by Cv equal to 4 by 3. The value of Cp by Cv mixture is, we have been given 4 options. Let's start. So for y, Cp by Cv is equal to 5 by 3. For now, using the formula Cp equal to Ry upon y minus 1. So from here, Cp Cv equals to R upon y minus 1 using the same formula, and we will simply going to get the values. Cp equal to 5R by 2 and Cv equal to 3R by 2, and similarly for second gas having y equal to Cp by Cv equal to 4 by 3, so that implies Cp is 4R and Cv is 3R. Now we are going to apply the formula for a mixture. For that, the formula comes out to be N1 into Cp1 plus N2 into Cp2 upon N1 into Cv1 upon N2 into Cv2, and it is given in the question that N1 is 2 and N2 is 3. So we are just going to calculate it by 2 into 5R by 2. We are just substituting the values. 4 into 3R upon 2 into 3R by 2 plus 3 into 3R. The 2 gets cancelled out and R from all the equations gets cancelled out, and we are left with 5 plus 12 upon 3 plus 9, which comes out to be 17 by 12, and this comes out to be 1.42. So our answer is the C option.